This live Pinpoint Doppler 12 weather alert.
Well, Danielle, we picked up about an inch and a half of rain here through yesterday and this morning, with still some moderate rain falling over Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, Block Island. Lighter showers still stretching back to our west, and these will push through the area. So keep the umbrella handy for this morning especially. Nothing severe though, so our threat trackers in the low levels for today, tonight and Friday. We're going to up it to the medium level as we get rain changing to snow tonight after midnight. It'll fall heavy at times. In fact, I was contemplating putting Friday up into a high threat level. I think we're going to see some significant impacts tomorrow morning. Heavy wet snow falling. It'll taper off in the afternoon, but some slick travel and some reduced visibility coinciding with both the start of the school day as well as the morning commute. So plan on some impacts tomorrow morning. Part of the reason why the National Weather Service issued this winter storm watch, and it now includes Rhode Island. I wouldn't be surprised too if Northwest Rhode Island was also included in some sort of snow or winter weather advisory here as the day goes on, because the likelihood of us getting at least several inches of snow even in that area is pretty good. I'm looking at 2 to 5 inches of wet snow from Providence, Warwick down through the South County area, across the bay through East Providence to Fall River, New Bedford, and out to Plymouth County. A slightly lighter amounts as that slower changeover to snow on Cape Cod. Hard to believe, right, that we're going to be dealing with accumulating snow tomorrow morning, with temperatures this morning that are running in the mid and upper 50s, Providence and in Smithfield. But here's what happens. We've got a cold front that's moving across the area this morning. It's going to stall out to our south around this position by later today. Low pressure along that front will bring some precipitation back into our area for this evening and tonight. And I like the way the Futurecast is showing this. So this is, again, as we move through the rest of this morning, showers mostly winding down. So 3 o'clock should be in a nice little lull. The rain will return this evening. This is at 9 o'clock, and I do expect just rainfall through midnight tonight. Here's that transition over to snow, and maybe a rain-snow mixture is what this is trying to hint at in that area of yellow. So that rain-snow line will push south by early tomorrow morning, and so during the morning commute, we're looking at snow falling heavy at times, maybe as much as an inch or so an hour, and that will lead to slushy, snow-covered roadways and the accumulations that we're expecting. By tomorrow afternoon, the snow is winding down from west to east, in the evening hours looking dry for your Friday. Today, most of the evening commute looking dry too. The showers should mostly come to an end. Drier this afternoon, mid to upper 50s here for today. Tonight, I do anticipate that the temperatures will stay above freezing through most of the night. So snow will start to pick up as the night goes on, but it may initially have a tough time accumulating. We'll probably overcome that warm air enough so that we get the accumulating snow tomorrow morning. It'll be heavy and wet, slick roads and poor visibility expected during the morning hours tomorrow and even into the early afternoon. So here's that 7-day Futurecast. Upper 50s today, upper 30s to around 40 tomorrow, low 40s Saturday and Sunday. Another chance for some snow as we move into early next week.